Pwedeng-pwede ka na mag-invest sa US stock market maski na ikaw ay nasa Philippines. At ang kagandahan nito, sa halagang 50 pesos or $1 ay pwede ka nang bumili ng fractional share ng US stock market. In today's video, I will be discussing the following topics: investing, benefits of investing in US stock market, how to register, how to buy stocks, at magbibigay din ako ng tips for beginners na nag-uumpisa pa lang mag-invest sa US stock market. Number 1, investing. Investing is the action or process of putting money into something in order to make more money. At kung gusto mong palaguhin ang pera mo over time, investing is one of the best ways to do that. Okay? Because the goal of investing is to grow your money over time. So investing in the stock market is the most common way for beginners to gain investment experience. Kasi sa stock market, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital. And stocks also generate higher income than bonds and time deposits. Because bonds and time deposits have fixed rates. And then, take note that investing also comes with the risk of losing your money. Number 2, so benefits of investing in US stock market in the Philippines. Number 1, US stock market is more profitable. Number 2, bigger ang market. So alam naman natin na most of the world's largest public companies are from the US. Gaya ng Google, Apple, Microsoft. So lahat ng mga ito ay sa US. And number 3, there's large selection of stocks. So sa US, there are thousands of publicly listed US companies. So from blue chip companies to small cap and high-end dividend growth stocks companies. Sa Philippines, konting-konti yung pagpipilian. Dito talaga super dami. And number 4, US has a stronger economy. Ang US economy ay napakalaki ng impact on the rest of the world. So for halimbawa, bumagsak yung US economy, so affected ang buong mundo. How to start? Number 1, open an online trading account na nag-offer ng US shares. For beginners, I suggest to start with GoTrade mobile app. What is GoTrade? GoTrade is a mobile trading platform. GoTrade makes it possible for investors to own a piece of American companies through fractional shares trading. Ang ginagawa ni GoTrade, meron siyang stock inventory, tapos ini-split niya ito into millions of fractions. Tapos ito yung mga binibenta niya sa mga investors na bumibili ng mga fractional shares. So for example, meron kang $10, gusto mo ibili ng Apple share. So input mo lang yung $10 and then GoTrade will automatically calculate the number of fractional shares na mabibili ng $10 mo. And why GoTrade? Because GoTrade has low initial and minimum deposit. $10 lang, so around 500 pesos ang initial deposit at minimum deposit na pwede mong i-cash in. Sila yung merong pinakamababang currency conversion rate. So hindi ka rin malulugi sa foreign exchange rate. How to register? So number 1, download the GoTrade app. So, available siya sa Apple Store at Google Play. And then, importante dito, i-verify mo yung email mo using your mobile phone. Number 3, input the invite code. So, use this code, 059819. Gamitin nyo ito pag mag-register kayo. And then, set mo yung PIN code mo for your account. And then, fill in the personal information. Tapos, upload ka ng one government ID and take a selfie. Tapos, yun, mabiverify yung account mo in 5 minutes. And then, you can now fund your account. So, how to fund your account? So, i-open mo yung GoTrade app mo. Hanapin mo yung deposit instantly to GoTrade. So, pwede kang mag-deposit through Union Bank, BPI, and GCash. So, yung GCash, medyo malaki yung fee. So, meron siyang 3% fee. Kaya kung meron kang Union Bank or BPI, mas okay mag-transfer through Union Bank or BPI. How to withdraw money? Punta ka din sa withdraw from GoTrade. Tapos, i-add mo yung iyong account. So, ako, ipinasok ko na yung account ko, BPI at Union Bank. So, ito yung mga fees na charge ng GoTrade. Kung nag-charge sila ng $2 pag nag-withdraw ka, charge na nila ito pagka-transfer mo ng money. And how to buy stocks, ipapakita ko paano kayo bumili ng stocks. Okay, so, hanapin mo lang yung GoTrade na app. Tapos, click yung GoTrade. Magla-login sa GoTrade. Tapos pupunta ka lang sa search. Click mo tong search. For example, gusto kong bumili ng Apple. So, ang Apple ay AAPL. So, Apple. Meron akong current position sa Apple. So, bumaba siya. Buy Apple. So, meron akong $7.92 na available. So, gusto kong bumili. Halimbawa, $2. Tapos, preview. Click ko lang tong preview buy. Makakabili ako ng 0.012367170 share sa halagang $2. Tapos, sa swipe ko na lang. So, na-receive na yung buy order. And nakalagay dito, your order has been received and it will be executed as soon as the market opens. Ang index fund ay ang pinaka-simple and most convenient way to invest in the stock market. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang pumili ng individual na stock. Alright, so ang S&P 500 is one of the most popular funds na nagtatrack ng S&P 500 index. It comprises 500 large cap US stocks. Ang ticker code ng S&P 500 na pwede mong bilhin ay either SPY or VOO. So, ito yung top 10 holdings. So, hindi mo na kailangang bumili ng individual shares. Okay, so parehas lang yung SPY and VOO. Magkaiba lang yung companies na nagmamanage. Sa SPY, it is managed by State Street Global Advisors. At ang VOO naman ay minamanage ng Vanguard Group